In this video, you will learn how to build a turn-based combat game in Scratch, a soldier battling against a dragon, and you will be in command of the soldier with two core options, attack or defense. When you attack, you can choose between a physical or magic strike, and when you defense, you will select either a physical block or magic block. However, each block only blocks its corresponding damage type. We will make this game in 7 clear steps. Import and position your sprites, initialize core variables, creating action selections buttons, build soldier behavior, build dragon behavior, detect game over and reveal the winner, and adding visual effect. All sprites and background image are available in the link I've put in the description, so you can download them and follow the steps. And we will walk through each step one by one. So let's start now. We start with creating a new Scratch project, then name the project as Turn-Based Combat Game. Next, we delete the cat on the screen by clicking the trash bin icon. Now, we move to the first step, import and position our sprites. We move to the bottom right corner and click Choose a Backdrop. Then, we click Upload Backdrop and upload the battleground image. As you can see, there is still some empty space near the edges. We select the Select tool on the left, use it to square the entire backdrop, and then drag the top and bottom edges to match the stage boundaries. Next, we import the soldier image. Move to the bottom right corner and click Choose a Sprite. Then upload sprites and select the soldier image. As the soldier is too big, so we use the size field to set it to 50%. We position the soldier on the left half of the stage by entering x equal to -150 and y equals to -40 in the position fields, or you can just simply drag it to the place. After importing the soldier, we import the dragon image in the same way. Click Upload Sprites and select the dragon image. Set the size to 70% and position the dragon on the right half of the stage by entering x equal to 150 and y equals to -20. Now, the soldier and dragon appear on the same ground line, ready to battle each other. Then, we move to step 2, initializing core variables. On the left, click the variables category, the orange blocks. Then, click Make a Variable. We will make 7 variables. First of all, we will make soldier health for the soldier's health bar, and dragon health for the dragon's health bar. Make a variable named Turn. This will hold either soldier or dragon, indicating whose turn is active. Then, add soldier defense and dragon defense. Each will store either none, physical block, or magic block, depending on the last action. Lastly, soldier actions and dragon actions. To temporarily hold the chosen actions, such as physical attack, magic attack, physical block, or magical block before applying it. We only select soldier health and dragon health to show the health bars of the soldier and dragon, so we unselect all the other variables. Then, I drag the dragon health variables to the top right corner. After making all the variables, we have to initialize them. We want to set both health variables to their starting value, such as 100, set both defense variable to none, and begin with the soldier turn. Click on the backdrop and go to Event, and add When Green Flag Click. Go to Variable category and set soldier health to 100 and dragon health to 100. Soldier defense to none and dragon defense to none. Set the turn to soldier. Then go to Event and broadcast a custom message named Soldier Turn to kick off the first turn. After that, we come to step 3, create action selection buttons. We will make 4 small button sprites. Each one is just a paint rectangle with text. Click Choose a sprite, then select Paint. I will use Rectangle tool to draw a button shape. I chose green, but you can use any color you like. Set the size to 100 × 40 and place it in the center. You can do this by aligning it with the cross at the center. I change the text color to white. Then click the text tool, click inside the rectangle and type physical attack. Adjust the size of the text and place it in the center of the rectangle. For the other buttons, right-click the buttons and select Duplicate. Then change the text to Magic Attack. Duplicate the button 2 more times and change the text to Physical Block and Magic Block. For each of these button sprites, click them one at a time and use the X, Y fields above the stage to position them along the bottom. I set physical attack buttons to X equals to -180 and Y equals to -140. For magic attack buttons, I set X equals to -60 and Y equals to -140. For physical block buttons, I set X equals to 60 and Y equals to -140. And for magic block button, I set X equals to 180 and Y equals to -140. Now, I want to hide each button by default, because they should only appear during the soldier's turn. For each of the 4 button sprites, go to the code tape, go to Event, add When Green Flag Click, then go to Look and add Hide. You can then drag this entire script to the other 3 buttons, so they all have the same behavior. Now, all the button is created. In the next video, I will continue with step 4, explaining how to make the soldier's behavior. Go check it out, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. See you in the next video, bye!